Good morning. We bike. And it's about to get started. It's about to get started. Baby, how you? I thought that was the shoe joint. You picked that up?
Pick what up?
That.
I pulled it.
So man, we about to tear this damn bathroom up. Like, yeah. So at any time y'all wanna chime in and tell me,
What I do?
huh?
What I do?
What you talking about?
You said, how you do that?
Oh, now I was talking about how you got that out. That was in the closet, right?
Pull it down and push it.
So at any time y'all feel like y'all wanna, I'm gonna try to post these jumps fast. So at any time, if anybody watching want to give me some insight on what it is that I need to be doing, something I'm doing wrong, something that I can do better, let me know. I'm gonna try to post these jumps up real fast. So yeah, y'all know we doing the polished ceramic 24 by 24 tiles, marble floors in the bathroom. You know what I'm saying? We got that uneven part over there that I'm about to go and buy an air hammer, because I think this right here is the floor. They just added this. Why they added this, I have no idea, but I think we good, because it's just whatever that little hard stuff is they put down to hold the tiles down. And this was there. This little divider here, transition, was like this. Yeah, so I gotta take all this out, take the toilet out. Yeah, take these know what I'm saying, take these borders off so we can start laying the floor, man. But I gotta do this first. We gotta clean the closet out, all that good stuff, cause we going on in the closet, all that good stuff. So I'm finna try to go on, I ain't gonna say knock this out, but you know, I gotta go to yeah, I know we gotta go to Harbor Freight. Gotta go to Harbor Freight, man, so we can get these good tools, man. I need my air hammer and the ball joint tool, and that's gonna scrape up, that's gonna take care of that floor over there to even it back out. And that's pretty much it as far as evening the floor. Everything else is pretty much just clean up. I got some more of those little slat things in her closet from when the carpet was in there. I never got those up, so I just pulled them up out the floor with that chisel over there, pry bar, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, finna get it started up in here. I was looking at a dude, man, doing some measurements and stuff. So it's really giving me a better idea of how to do this, because with these 24 by 24 tiles, you really want to lay as much of the whole tile, as much as of the whole tile as you can. But in some areas, you would have to measure. Like in the less seen areas, you can put the smaller tile. You just gonna have to do some cutting. So I got a grinder with the porcelain tiles. You can use a diamond cut blade. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give me a diamond cut blade. Come here, give my measurements, and like stuff the rest of it like up under the counter, I mean up under the cabinets or whatever, like I can use a towel, cut it and push it under there a little bit, and then cut another towel to put on the back side, because no one's gonna really see that. So I can really cut like that. But on the like main floor, I really want to use much of the whole towel as possible. So yeah, we finna get to it. We gotta go to Harbor Freight and get some stuff, and then we'll be back. I'm gonna let y'all see some of this tear down, man, and yeah. Well, you know, home improvement below. Got many titles. Car below, home improvement below, yard man below. Boy, I'm gonna be big in a minute, man. I'm going viral. But yeah, let's go on, shoot the Harbor Freight, man, and I'll pick the camera back up when we get out there. Good old Harbor Freight. Saws in here. Where's that? So let me see. How you doing? Uh-oh. I think I got it, but I'll let you know if I don't. They got this old music on, y'all, so let me hit y'all back. Okay, we ain't have too much damage. Not too much damage. I'm gonna need me a cigar out there. Woo. But now everything that we bought fit in one bucket. Over $100. Over $100 though. What is that, bro? Over 100. Well, it wasn't that much over 100, so it's all good. I'm gonna lay that in the trunk, right? So we got air hammers. We got everything that we went in there for. Levelers, mixer, bucket. Got everything that we went in there for. So now go home, bust that flow down, and start on our flow journey. Yeah. What you talking about? What you talking about? Huh? Huh? Excuse me. This little girl.
Pretty good.
Thank you. You ready? You ready to go? Basket back up here. I don't see no thing out here for the basket. So. Got my baby boy on her. Baby got pink flip flops on. What you trying to say, lady? So, yeah, about to head to the crib. Head to the crib. I think I got something else I gotta do. Somebody I gotta meet, so try to get to the crib. But more than likely, I'm probably going to Home Depot later to get some other things. Probably a toilet.
Like the way you corrected that help.
Clearly got pink flip-flops on.
Clearly. I ain't even looking.
Yeah,
Just
I ain't
saying
looking. Just saying
something.
But yeah, so let's get to the house, man. We're gonna bust some things down. Well, we gotta figure out the spacing on it first. So let's just bust the floor out first, and then we'll go back to it.
We got some more construction bags.
Construction bags? What do you need that for? No, I'm putting all this stuff in the what's called in the tote. Sit the tote on the side of the road. Then I got the shop vac too, so we'll vacuum up whatever else. Pour it in there. Alright, y'all, we done got back. We finna out, man. We can get. We done got this old air hammer. Got an air hammer. I got my little compressor, my little line. Let's see if this gonna work. Got that old shop vac over here. For when we start all this dusty stuff, I might need to close this closet. I'm gonna turn it on just to see. Turn it on, turn this air hammer on just to see if it's good. If it's working right. But yeah. We finna get to it, man. Ooh, ain't no turning back now. Ain't no turning back now. Boy. Yo, back, man. Stuff here. Got some stuff in there. It's a good little being that she trying to get rid of that anyway. Put out the trash now, put that to the side of the road. But yeah. That air hammer working real good, man. It's working so good. I didn't think that I was gonna have to pull the toilet. I didn't think I was gonna have to pull the toilet this soon, but look like we're gonna have to pull this toilet, man. So I gotta find a video on pulling the toilet, because yeah, we here. Like I said, hey man, if anybody knows why they built this floor up like this, let me know, because I have no idea why they would do this. Maybe that's just something that went on in older houses or whatever. This house was built in '85, so maybe that got something to do with it. But it's pointless. I feel like it's pointless anyway. But hey, I'm not a house builder. But yeah, man, we getting this stuff out of here, man. We're getting this tile out of here. It ain't gonna be long, for it ain't gonna be no. It's 325. Oh man, we'll be done with this in a hot second. So I'm gonna shut this valve off in a minute to this toilet, and yeah, shut this valve off. See if I can stop the water to the toilet. If I can stop the water to this toilet only without shutting the water off to the whole house, then that'll be good. Hopefully I ain't gotta shut the water off to the whole house. Because I need to get that toilet out of here so I can go on here. I really don't want to move the toilet until I'm ready to put the other tile down, but I can't get this tile out to get this floor up without doing it, so I don't know. And I really, like, at this point, I kind of want to start back here because of the toilet. And I got to do all this back here to the floor anyway, so I might well, I feel like I want to start back here. Still might not start back here, but I don't know. I might just, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. But yeah, we working, man. We getting it on. Operation Marble Flows, man. Operation Marble Flows for your toes. That's it. Marble flows for your toes. I'm trying to figure out, I'll tell them, I'm trying to figure out if I want to go ahead and take the toilet out and then bust the rest of them towels and then just start from over there and come back.
You're gonna have to take the toilet out to get the rest of the towels.
That's what I'm saying, but I really don't want to take the toilet out until I'm getting ready to lay the towels over there. But I still got to take all that flow shit up, so the toilet got to come out regardless. I'm trying to do it without shutting all the water off in the house.
Did you look at any tutorial that suggested that?
A tutorial that what suggested to turn the water off to the house?
No, suggested that you.
Nah, cause ain't nobody had that dumbass flow. Everybody took that towel up, swept that shit out, took that toilet up, laid the towel back down, and went on about their business. They ain't have to take up a whole damn flow. So yeah, we just gonna have to move fast. If push comes to shove, we just gonna have to move fast. Gotta knock that out, put the toilet back down, start, then, you know what I'm saying, shut the water out. If we gotta shut the water out to the whole house, pull the toilet back up, do what we gotta do, and then do it like that. We just gotta move fast, cause I don't want the water out to the whole house. So, and then we get back to it, and I'll hit y'all in a minute. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Animated himself. Man, I'm coming in here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done it already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy those enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah, that being said, man, let's get back to the video.